stop giving you the runaround, running forever. It's too bad we happened when we did, 'cause I've learned a lot about life since then. I can't go back, girl, I hate that. You fell in love with a kid trying to figure it out, 'cause I'm man enough now. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. This song is Man Enough Now by Chris Bandi. I think that's how you say his last name. Anyway, super good song. I never heard of him, never heard of the song, so I really appreciate the request. If you guys have other requests, let me know in the comments. Please hit like and subscribe. Alright, so let's get into it. Standard tuning, no capo needed, so that makes it easy. You're going to use just a handful of chords here, right? I'll walk you through what the chords are, and then I'll show you where you play the chords and the strumming patterns throughout the verses and the chorus, okay? And the bridge. Alright, so the chords that you need for this song. I use this G. You can totally use this one. In fact, this one might be a little easier to use, but it's up to you, okay? So you're going to do G. So G. Alright, I'm just going to show you the easier version because it's actually better for this song. So you're going to do pinky, goes on the 3rd fret. Alright, 3rd fret on the little E string. Ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the big E string. And then you put your middle finger, okay, on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay? You're also going to do D. Okay, so it's kind of up to you which one you want to do with those G's, because you could do the G with the pinky on the ring finger on the 3rd fret, the pinky on the 3rd fret on the little E string. You can do the ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then you can put your middle finger on the 3rd fret on the big E string and your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, that one's easier if you're going to switch to D like this, because you just leave your ring finger anchored on there, okay? So what you're going to do is put your ring finger, it's going to go on the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? Then you're also going to put your middle finger, alright, it's going to go on the 2nd fret on the little E string, and then you're going to put your pointer finger, it's going to go on the 2nd fret on the G string, okay? Now, when I do that, I mute it with the big E string with my thumb, okay, just like that. Alright, so you can do that, G, that. But there is a time too where you're going to do E minor, and you go from that E minor to G, and that's easy, you can just do that transition, okay? So E minor, while I'm on it, you're going to put your middle finger, I mean you can really use any finger, but I think it's the one I always use is my middle finger. Middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, and then you're going to put your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, okay? Just like that, okay, that's E minor. You're also going to use A, okay, A, you're going to be on, all these are on the 2nd fret, starting on the D string, middle finger goes, so you see that middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, then you're going to put your ring finger, alright, goes on right next to it, it's going to go on the 2nd fret on the G string, and then your pinky will go on the 2nd fret on the B string. Alright, I'm muting the big E string, you don't have to, but I do, okay? And the other one, and this one's a little bit trippy for some people, is going to be B minor, okay? So for B minor, you're supposed to bar on the 2nd fret all the way down from the 2nd fret on the starting with the A string, okay? So you're supposed to do that, but if you have a hard time barring, just try to bar it, because it'll at least mute the other strings that you don't want to play. Okay, so you're going to be playing pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, alright, then your ring finger goes on the 4th fret on the D string, your pinky finger goes on the 4th fret on the G string, and then your middle finger, alright, is going to go on the 3rd fret, alright, on the B string. Now if you have a hard time with some of that, if your middle finger is on, keep in mind you don't have to put them all down at the exact same time. That's what a lot of people struggle with. You can put it down and then put that one down, okay? Put that one down after. Or you can just kind of play it like a power chord a little bit, and not necessarily bar, and put that one down after. It's not going to sound quite as good, but you can do that, okay? See, like that. Alright, so anyway, those are the chords you're going to play. Now the way you start the song is he just goes right into it. So you're going to do G, D, mute, A, B minor. Okay, so he just goes G, I was scared. Alright, so it's G, I was scared, wasn't quite ready yet. Okay, so you're going to do G, I was scared, so G, mute. And that's what you're going to do for the whole verses and the first chorus. You're going to do strum, mute, mute, strum, mute, mute, strum, mute, mute, strum, mute, strum, mute. So you're just doing strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, mute. Okay? So you're going to do I was scared. I was scared. So you do G right before. I was scared. Wasn't quite ready yet. So you do G, D right before. Wasn't quite ready yet. Okay, then you go to after that slap. Wasn't quite ready yet. Didn't. Didn't is where you do A. Didn't want to let. Didn't want to let. Okay, let is where you're gonna do. Let my is where you're gonna do B minor. Let my freedom get. Two. Okay, so then you're gonna after that last slap on get, you're gonna do too far. So two is G. Too far away. Away is D. Away. So I could say anything. Okay, so anything is A, which is easy to remember. Anything to keep you just close enough. Okay, then you're gonna go back and start over. You're gonna do G, like I need a little is D, a little space to breathe, a little is gonna that second a little is gonna be A little time for me is gonna be B minor. Okay, me to think. Okay, then you do G, I just need you. Okay, you is gonna be D, you to wait for me. Okay, so you do A on after me, and you should do a single strum here, and do, but you weren't waiting for me. Okay, so then you do that, but you weren't waiting for me, and then you do the same thing for the chorus. So just real quick to walk you through that first verse, you just do, so you do G, D, A, B minor. Okay, then you do it again, G, D, and then you just go to A, G, D, A, B minor. Okay, G, D, A. Okay, and that's how the chord progression is for like almost the whole song. Not the whole thing, but almost the whole thing, all right? So then when you get to the chorus, you're gonna do that same thing. To grow up, get my act together. So you see, you go G. To grow up, get is D. Get my act together. I know he doesn't say act, but I'm trying not to swear on here, right? So you do get is D. Get my act together. Stop giving. Okay, stop giving is gonna be A. Stop giving you the run around running. Okay, then running is B minor. Running from forever. It's too bad. Okay, so it's too bad we is D. What happened when we did? Cause I've is A. Cause I've learned a lot about life since then. Then on I is G. I can't go is D. Go back, girl. Okay, girl is A. Girl, I hate is B minor. Hate that. And then after that, this is where it changes. You go, you is E minor. You fell in love with a kid trying to figure. So you do the kid's where you do it again. Kid trying to figure it out. And out is G. Okay, out. And you don't do a mute there. You just do let it ring. Out. Cause I'm man enough now. Okay, then you start doing it. So then you start doing this faster stuff. Now for the verses, you're just gonna be doing that same thing the whole time. Okay. For the second verse, you're gonna do that again. For the next chorus, you won't, and for this like interlude part here, you won't. So you're gonna do. You're still gonna be doing the same chord progression: down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so what you're doing there is you're doing down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so you're just doing that down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay. Now the one part of the song that is different from this is when you go to the bridge. Okay, so the bridge is E minor. Push my pride out of the way. Make, so you do E minor to start. To push is E minor. To push my pride out of the way. Make, okay. Then you do make is G. Make a girl like you wanna stay. B minor, okay. It took a while for me to come around, but I am, okay, but is where you're gonna do A, but I am man enough now. Okay, just like that. You're gonna go and play the last chorus. That's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been a lot of fun learning this song, and I'll see you next time.